I found a Faceless YouTube channel that was started just 2 months ago. With only 16 videos, it already hit 150,000 subscribers, making over $13,000 in the process. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's completely real. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this success from scratch using Claude AI. And the best part? I managed to script, voice, and edit a similar video in less than 20 minutes. Before we jump in, take a look at the results I got using completely free AI tools.
Before you learned your first word, you already knew how to make someone feel safe. Not because anyone taught you, because something older than language already lived inside you. Scientists have a name for what humans did before words existed. They call it pre-linguistic communication. It isn't, because the closer researchers look at what early humans were actually transmitting to each other before syntax, before symbols, before any known gesture system, the less they can explain it. And the part they can't explain isn't a gap at the edges of the science. It's sitting right in the middle of it.
Now, let me show you the channel we are cloning today. It's called Gen. This channel managed to hit 150,000 subscribers with just 17 videos. And if you look at the total views, it's well over 15 million. What blew my mind was that they only started uploading 2 months ago. In that short time, they dropped 16 long-form videos, pulled millions of views on 3 of them, and generated over $13,000 in revenue. This is absolute madness, and it proves just how much potential this strategy has. Like I said, I completely cloned this entire setup in less than 20 minutes. Let me show you exactly how I did it. First, we are going to use Claude to generate a highly engaging script. Just head over to Chrome, search for Claude AI, and sign up. I'm already logged in. By the way, to make things easy for you, I've put all the exact prompts I used in a Google Drive folder. You can grab the link down in the description below. Open the prompt file, copy the first prompt, paste it into Claude, and hit send. The AI will analyze the prompt and give you an output. As you can see, it's asking for the YouTube channel link. So let's head over to YouTube, copy the link of the channel we want to clone, paste it here, and send it to Claude. Now the AI is asking for 2 to 3 full video transcripts from this channel. This is crucial, because the quality of the training data determines the final script output. You want to train it like a pro. To get the transcripts, go to the channel and pick 3 videos. Their latest one, their most popular one, and their oldest one. This helps Claude understand the exact pattern and structure the channel uses. Copy the video links, go to a website like YT Transcript, paste the link, and click Get Free Transcript. Copy the generated text and save it. I'm putting it into a Google document to keep it clean. Do this for all 3 videos. Once you have all the transcripts, download the file as a .docs document. Go back to Claude AI, upload the file, and hit send. We are doing all of this using the free model, which is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. After analyzing the data, Claude will ask if you have video ideas, or if it should generate them for you. If you don't have an idea, use my second prompt from the Google Drive file. Claude will instantly break down the niche, target audience, hook style, and speech rhythm. It will then give you the top 10 video topics that are proven to work. All of these topics are incredible. For example, look at this one. What if scientists completely removed sleep from human lives for 21 days? That is a massive curiosity gap right there. I love this topic, so I'm going to copy it. Now, we will use this topic to generate our full-length video script. To get the best results, I used a specific formatting prompt. I instructed Claude to write the script and include precise timestamps every time the scene changes. This tells us exactly when to split or expand our visuals during editing, saving us hours of manual work. Hit send, and Claude will output the script, along with the speech lines and timestamps, running from 00 to 03 to 07, and so on. If you want to refine the word count, you can easily click the edit icon to tweak the length. Our final script is right around 2,100 words. Next, Claude will ask for 3 to 5 sample images from the reference channel to analyze its visual style. Go to the channel and take a few screenshots of the actual video scenes. Come back to Claude, click the plus icon, upload the images, and hit send. The AI will analyze the art style, color palette, lighting, and camera angles. It will then generate highly detailed visual prompts for every single timestamp in our script. Now we need to generate these images. We are using Flow.ai for this. It is one of the best tools out there for creating hyper-consistent professional visuals. Go to the website, log in, create a new project, and select your preferred image model. Copy the visual prompt for the first scene from Claude, paste it into Flow AI, and generate. As you can see, the image looks stunning. Repeat this exact process for the second scene, the third scene, and so on. Once all the images are ready, you can check your generation history, download them one by one, and our visuals are good to go. With the script and visuals ready, it's time for the voiceover. Head over to 11 Labs and log in. If you want to keep mastering these viral YouTube automation strategies, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future updates. Inside 11 Labs, go to the voice library. Find a voice that fits your niche, like the Adam or Marcus voice, and select it. Go to the Text-to-Speech tab, paste your Claude-generated script, adjust the stability settings for a natural flow, and click Generate. Once it's done, download the audio file. Now for the final step, editing. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all your generated images and drag them onto the timeline. Next, import your 11 Labs audio file. Match the visuals to the audio cuts based on the timestamps we got from Claude. Go to the Text tab, click Auto Captions, and apply a clean, bold template. Finally, add some smooth transitions between the scenes, like a basic black fade, to keep the pacing dynamic. Export the video, and you are officially ready to upload it to your USA channel. If you're ready to build your own faceless business using AI, hit that subscribe button and let's win together.